Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share the video. Also hit the bell button and don't forget to leave comments. Thank you very much for watching.
Want a burger that's high in protein, low in carbs, and still tastes amazing? Let me show you how. Today I'm making a flourless burger with soft protein buns, plus two options, juicy chicken or classic beef. These are the ingredients that I will be using today. You will also get a detailed recipe in the description box.
First, blend the eggs and cottage cheese until smooth. Next, add the dry ingredients and mix into a thick batter.
Now line a baking tray with parchment, lightly oil it, then scoop out your buns, top with sesame seeds, and bake at 335 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes.
Mix parmesan, garlic, and paprika. Season the chicken on both sides, dip it in egg, then coat it in the cheese mixture.
Bake at 392 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes until golden and juicy. Next, step 3, beef patty. Combine ground beef with salt, paprika, garlic, and egg. Let it rest, shape into patties, and cook in a pan until perfectly browned.
Next, step 4, sauce. Mix tomato paste, mustard, olive oil, lemon juice, and spices until smooth. Next, step 5, assemble. Slice your buns, spread the sauce, and add your favorite filling, chicken or beef. Top it off and enjoy. This burger is packed with protein, super filling, and perfect for a healthy lifestyle. Follow for more easy, healthy recipes.